Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting what you can see and feel. Do this now. Note cloud types and how much of the sky they cover, because that predicts rain versus clearing. Observe wind direction and approximate speed. Wind shifts often signal fronts approaching. Take temperature and barometric pressure readings. Falling pressure usually means worsening weather. Once done, record time and location. This lets you compare trends and improves short-term forecasts. Now synthesize readings. Compare recent pressure trend to temperature and humidity so you know if conditions are intensifying or easing. If pressure falls quickly and humidity rises, expect precipitation or stronger winds. This explains why storms form. Check dew point versus air temp to see if condensation or fog will form. Then, make a quick look at radar or satellite to confirm storm movement and timing. Doing this helps you turn observations into an act. Finally, state a simple forecast. When precipitation will start, what type, expected temperature range, and any wind shifts. Be concise so you can act on it. Then compare your prediction to the nearest reliable forecast for the next 6 hours. Differences highlight model uncertainty. If reality deviates, troubleshoot by rechecking barometer trend, skyscape changes, and recent radar loops. This step tells you whether your inputs or timing were off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.